Stop Windows 11 Mama or Mamamintio X1 BSOD errors dead in their tracks right now. This persistent memory management issue is incredibly frustrating, but by following these steps, you'll restore system stability permanently. First, we'll run the built-in Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. This checks your RAM for any hardware faults that could be causing the blue screen. If the diagnostic finds issues, or if it doesn't resolve the problem, the underlying cause might be outdated drivers. Therefore, our second method involves updating your RAM drivers and even your BIOS, as outdated firmware can cause compatibility problems. If updating drivers doesn't bring peace, we move to method 3, which is checking for and repairing corrupt system files. These files are crucial for Windows to operate smoothly, and corruption can lead to memory errors. Finally, for those persistent issues, we'll dive into method 4, analyzing your event viewer logs. This advanced step helps pinpoint the exact process or driver causing the memory management failure, giving you the precise information needed to eliminate the memo RVM TOX1A error for good.